Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem. Here we have n cubed minus n is equals to 990. We will solve this problem for the real values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we will move this 990 in the left hand side so that you get n cubed minus n minus 990 is equals to 0. After this step we will make the factors of this cubic equation so that first I can rewrite this cubic equation as n cubed minus n minus here you have 990 and we will write this 990 as minus 1000 and plus 10. So now we rewrite this equation as n cubed minus n minus here you have 1000 and we will write it as 10 cubed plus 10 is equals to 0. And now we can make the pairs of cubic terms and the other terms so that here we have two cubic terms. The first is n cubed minus the other term is 10 cubed, and remaining terms are this is minus n and plus 10, so that we will take common from these two terms and we get n minus 10 is equals to 0. After this step we will apply here the nice cubic formula, and you know about this cubic formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a squared plus ab plus b square. So now we can apply this cubic formula in the above term and we get the output in the form of here you have n cubed minus 10, we write it as n minus 10 times of n squared plus 10n plus 10 squared minus here you have n minus 10 is equals to 0. So here you focus on both of the terms and you see that n minus 10 be the common term, so that we will take common n minus 10 and we get n squared plus 10n plus here you have 10 square and 10 square is equals to 100 and minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we simplify the terms and we written as n minus 10 times of n squared plus 10n plus 99 is equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we take n minus 10 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take n squared plus 10n plus 99 is equals to 0. So in the first step we will get the value of n is equals to 10, and in order to find the other roots we will solve this quadratic equation. So now because in this question we need only real roots, so that first we will check this quadratic equation has real roots or not by using the discriminant formula. So that here I can apply the discriminant formula, and here you have a is equals to 1, b is equals to 10 and c is equals to 99. So that the discriminant formula is delta is equals to b squared minus 4 times of ac. So now first I will explain little bit about the discriminant formula, and here you know that if this delta is less than 0, then we say that this quadratic equation has no real root, and if this delta is greater than 0, then we say that this quadratic equation has two real root, and if this quadratic equation is equals to 0, then we say that this quadratic equation has one real root. So now we check the behavior of this delta by putting the values of a, b and c in this delta, and you get, when you put the value of b here, so the value of b is 10, so when you can put here, so it will becomes 10 squared. So 10 squared is equals to 100 minus 4 times of a and c. The value of a is 1 and the value of the c is 99. So 4 times of 99 is equals to 396. So here you get 100 minus 296 is equals to minus 296. So this shows that our delta is less than 0. So our delta is less than 0 means that this quadratic equation has no real root. I can write this one here, so that if it has no real roots, so that we will rejected this case and we can just proceed here this case only. So this shows that n is equals to 10 be the only one real solution of the given problem. So that now we can check this problem is this value of n is satisfied the given question or not. So that the given question statement is n cubed minus n is equals to 990. So now we put the value of n in this equation. So the value of n is 10, so it will becomes 10 cubed minus 10 is equals to 990. So you know that 10 cubed is equals to 1000 minus 10 is equals to 990. So 1000 minus 10 is equals to 990 and it is equals to 990. So this shows that n is equals to 10 be the only one real solution of the given this question. So this shows that n is equal to 10 be the only answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.